Don't be late.
It's 7 o'clock, the sun is up.
I open my eyes and I get up.
At 7:05, I start my day.
I brush my teeth the sparkly way. 7:15, I must be quick.
I get dressed fast.
That's the trick. At 7:30, time to eat. A yummy breakfast is such a treat.
8.
I'm out the door
I leave my house.
and walk some more.
8.
I'm on my way inside the bus for a brand new day. The clock strikes 8, the bell rings loud. I arrive at school amidst the crowd. I know my hours, I know my chores. Learning good time opens all the doors. Tick tock, tick, tick tock. Look at the clock. Time to move, time to rock. From the morning sun to the school gate. I know the time and I feel great.
That was so much fun! If you want more fun songs and learning videos, subscribe to Aniro TV. We have lots more to explore. Bye-bye!